Hi, in this second presentation we will look into the proposed work plan for the second part of this course and also to the proposed teaching and learning model. By the end of this presentation you should have a clear idea of what is expected from you and when. So what will you find in Canvas? This is an important question because that's where your main learning resources will come from. I have organized the content related to this second part of our course under two main forms, lectures and discussions. I'll tell you more about these two types in the following slide. And of course, Hennessy and Patterson's book will be your learning resource to find more detailed information concerning the 5 subjects that we will cover in this part. We will address the initial 5 chapters of the book, but none of them will be entirely covered because the intended learning outcomes of this course, those addressing knowledge and competence, do not require us to go into that much detail. And likewise, some chapters will be covered more superficially, while others will be considered in further detail, particularly when they relate to our final coursework assignment. Lectures are short video presentations like this one, equivalent to the time that you usually spend listening to the teacher in the classroom. And this means that I will use our classes to discuss your progress and your work, and these meetings may take place either on campus or online. Discussions, on the other hand, are problems and questions that I will post to Canvas. I will post these problems and questions, but I will not answer them. That will be your role, and I will only interfere to comment or to correct anything. And please notice that you should plan your workload in this second part of the course so that you go through all the lectures and discussions proposed for each week. This is a 10 ECTS course, meaning that you are expected to work between 15 to 20 hours altogether every week on these activities. The 7 weeks comprised in the second part will be distributed as indicated in this slide. We won't go through the subject of chapters 1 to 5 during the first 5 of these weeks, and the last 2 weeks will be dedicated to our final coursework assignment, which, as you know, has to be completed successfully in order to access the final exam. So I hope that you will enjoy this second part of the course, and thanks for your attention.